Here is a question. Do you run for cover when you fail? It is comforting to know that we all fail at some point in time. We just cannot avoid it. It is part of life, and it is usually not a pleasant experience. It might hit us to our core, and it will destroy our confidence, and self-esteem goes to the drain. And we wonder if we can ever recover from the failure. But we still recover if you remember the past failure that you can rebound from. Any kind of failure can be an amazing opportunity for you to grow and develop if we approach failure in the best possible way. So, it is time for you to look at failure as a friend instead of a foe or enemy. First, take every failure as not your last chance. It is never too late if you fail in your dreams or goals. It is never too late to pursue new opportunities that come out from a failure. Go and take another shot at showcasing your abilities and skills. There will always be another chance, and you can seize that opportunity with greater readiness and learn what you have from the previous attempt that you have made in terms of failure. In a nutshell, each opportunity teaches you to try again and do better. Second, think about what the failure has taught you. The lesson learned will make you wiser. Ask yourself, why didn't it work? What could you have done differently next time when you face the same problem? What should you consider about yourself when you face the same situation or a similar problem? What is the main lesson that you learn in the failure? And you can look at the situation from different perspectives, or you can even ask people that you trust for their input also. And that leads to the third area of keeping the possibility of failure in mind. Always do not put 100% confidence in your success when you set out to do a task or an activity or project. It is not a bad mindset though to have confidence of 110% in your ability to win and become victorious or triumphant as a guarantee. But as you know, success is rarely the case. Keep in mind the possibility of what you do may not turn out like what you visioned before. And this will help you to avoid being devastated when failure comes in. And also remember a plan B or C, in fact, and be prepared to put any standby action into play. Give up or have a defeatist attitude is not the way to go. Consider your resources before you give everything that you have got in what you want to do. And fourthly, don't see a failure as personal when it is not. It could be many factors that has nothing to do with us that cause us to fail. And it is for us to reflect that entirely the failure is not related to our personal failing. Maybe we offer an item that people doesn't want, or maybe there are objective circumstances that change the situation and are beyond our control. We need to strive to learn from our mistakes. It is therefore not good to pin each situation based on only ourselves. We don't have full control over the world or on everyone, and we can become resilient and focus on what is within our area of expertise and responsibilities and ability to control. And fifth, make sure you are compassionate to yourself, because you need to empathize with your own feelings when you face failure. Often we are really harsh with ourselves. Why can't we do it? Are we not good enough? And those are thoughts that keeps us and discourages us from trying again or learning from the mistakes that we made. So be compassionate to yourself, feel yourself to be in a good place, and picture yourself in a healthy frame of mind. And stay close and say to a close friend that facing something similar, and also redirect our words to ourselves in a positive way. And finally, the sixth takeaway is failure is only temporary. It is not permanent. It's not a natural part of the process. Every down will have an up. Changing the way we view failure is important to build our resistance and also resilience to overcome failure in the future. Failure is an outcome that it is not desirable as a success, although it is still valid and important in terms of an outcome, and it will help us to grow and learn and forces us to be better in the future. Failure is not pleasant, but it is a significant part of us, and we need to learn from failure to create our future success. And the story that we'll always find failure in is to build our success based on failure. It is a necessary step, and you will bounce back better and faster when you look at failure and take failure as a friend instead of a foe. So welcome your mistakes in the most important parts of what you do, and you'll be able to do and learn from them and achieve more success in the future. I am Wong. I'm a HRD consultant, trainer, and writer. See you in the next video.